All right, so in this video, I want to demonstrate a problem that I'm having with my 2011 Ford F-150. What happens is when I turn the key and try and start the vehicle, it just basically tries to start on the starter, tries to kick off, but it doesn't do anything. So I'll demonstrate it now. So as you can see, that's all it does. I just took the turned the battery back in the off position because I don't want to damage the starter. So I did some digging around the internet and I found out, and I'm hopefully saving some time for some folks because I spent a lot of time trying to find this information. But apparently this year model of Fords, or this generation of Fords, has an issue where the fuse for the fuel relay ends up going bad. So I actually went into the engine bay and looked at the fuse box, and we're going to go take a look at it now. So if you look here, I opened up the fuse box, or the fuse panel, and this one right here, if we look at that, it's probably number 27, it looks like. 27, fuse number 27 is the one that was problematic. I used a needle nose plier, which is right here, to pull it out. It was actually kind of tough because I'll show you what the fuse looks like that I removed. Hopefully it'll focus. There you go. If you can see it, it's burnt. So it looks like it melted. And again, this is a common issue. What some people do is they convert this fuse location to like a different type of fuse, kind of like a relay look style fuse. But I'm not going to do that during this video. That's probably for a later video, as I do want to convert it to prevent this from happening. So here's the new fuse. I'm going to pop it in here right now. Just give me one moment. Okay, so I popped it in there, and let's see if that addresses the issue. Fingers crossed it does. We're all learning live because I have not actually tried it yet. Let's see. And there it is. Car is on. I just saved myself probably hundreds of dollars for taking it to the mechanic and asking them to potentially even replace the fuel pump, or just dealing with mechanics. Hope this helps someone.